tomorrow, so they say will.
It's a very good movie. What a good movie needs is a good design. So, let's create this one.
In New York with the gangsters, so a nigga that'll shoot you for a tandem.
Step number 1, the background. We are going to use a prepared background that I just downloaded from the internet. If you are going to use another background, please make sure that there is a free space above your character for placing the logo. Step number 2, let's go for logo. The logo that I will use in this tutorial is this one, Fallout 4, a logo that was designed for a video game. So, we need to do some preparation before importing this one into our project. At first, we need to get rid of the background. Make your layer selected and go to select menu, and which one should I choose? Color range or subject? If you missed my last technique, please watch it. It's right on the corner. We are not going to use subject. Instead, we are going to use color range. Why? Because the project contains only two colors, white and black. Press on color range, make a sample of white color, and increase the fuzziness to the maximum, 200. Press OK. Now, all you need to do is pressing delete key on your keyboard, and boom, the background is removed. Now, for deselecting the areas, press Ctrl and D together. Now, we need to do some preparation before importing it into our project. What are those preparations? Oh, I knew it that you know it. At first, we need to delete the unwanted parts. For that, press on eraser and make your layer selected, and now get rid of all unwanted parts. We don't need the 4 number, and we don't need the border. Oh, I missed some spots. This one, and now this one. Before importing it into our project, please double-click on a free space of your layer and enable Color Overlay. And in Color Overlay, change the color to white and press OK. And another one. Now it's ready to be imported into our project. Step number 3, we are going for filters. We're going to use one of filters in Photoshop, but before that you need to download an image. An image like this, a texture of rusted metal. If you want this one, please check out the description. When you have downloaded, you need to import it into Photoshop, and after that, make it selected, go into Files, and press on Save As, and save it somewhere on your computer. I will save it on my desktop, and file name can be anything, but I will save it as this place. Okay, now it's saved. So let's go for filter. At last, welcome to the project. I've just imported the background, and after that, I have imported our logo. And now we are going to apply some filter on our logo. Make your logo selected, right-click on it, and convert it into a smart object. After that, go to Filter and press on this tool and choose Displace. Horizontal scale should be 0, vertical scale 10, displacement map stretch to fit, undefined areas repeat edge pixel, and make sure that you have checked the embed file data in a smart object. Press OK. Now you need to choose the file that we just saved from rusted metal. It should be in PSD form. Make it selected and press OK. OK. Now we need to repeat the process one more time with a change. Go to filter and you can just click on this one instead of going to distort and pressing on displays. You can just press on displays here. Horizontal scale should be changed to 10 and vertical scale to 0. Press on OK and choose your PSD format from rusted metal one more time and press on OK. OK. I will repeat the whole process one more time. It's up to you to repeat it or not. Okay, the filter is ready. Step number 4. Let's give some effect to our logo. Our logo needs some effect, so let's create it. Make your logo layer selected and go to Effects. And at first, enable Color Overlay. Blend mode should be normal, opacity 100%, but the color should be changed from white. Hue should be 20. Saturation should be 100 and brightness should be 100. Press on OK. Now you need to enable the outer glow. Press and enable outer glow and blend mode should be linear dodge, opacity 65%, noise 0%, we don't need any noise, and between color and gradient choose color, and your color should be 20 in hue, 100 in saturation, and 30 in brightness. Press on OK. The spread should be 0 and size 29 pixel, and following options are like this. Now you need to enable the inner glow. Blend mode should be linear dodge, opacity should be 75%, noise should be 0%, and between color and gradient, please choose color. The color should be 20 in hue, 100 in saturation, and 50 in brightness. Press on OK. And press one more time on OK, and affected are given to the layer. Step number 5. Let's make our logo look better. Make your logo layer selected, zoom in, and now press on Ctrl and J together to create a duplicate. Ctrl and J. Now, press Ctrl and T together, press on OK, right-click on it, and click on Flip Vertical. Now, drag it under, and here is OK. Press on OK and apply the changes. You can move it somewhere like here. Now, you need to create a layer mask. Make the second layer selected. Click on this icon and create a layer mask. Now enable the gradient and press on your project, hold Shift and create a gradient. The upper color shouldn't be black. We need to change it. But at first, change this one into black color and this one into white color. Now you need to do something like this, and please do this, and now change the position of this one, and now we are going to do this one, and it's finished. I know what you need. You want to see the final result. Okay, I will show you. But before that, you need to do something. Please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and tell me your opinion about this tutorial. Did you like it? Do I need to do something different? Please tell me in comments. See you in the next tutorial.
Sir, that's not the work.